Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. In my previous video, almost 3 weeks ago, I told you that the price line of Sia has completed a very big bullish setup. And this was a chart that I shared at the Patreon on 17th of July when I told my members that the price line of Sia has completed a very big bullish reversal harmonic bat pattern, and from here we can expect a huge move towards the upside. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then you can also follow me using the link I've shared in the video's description. Now let's move to this chart, and let me to show you how the price line has started a big move from here as predicted and what we can expect now. This is the link for the chart, and you can see at that time the price action just completed the final leg of this bullish bat and entered the potential reversal zone, and it was moving at the very end of this buying zone. Therefore I told my members that it can be a low risk and high reward trading ideas because we are already moving at the very end of this buying zone, and the price line was also testing this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. That was also a very strong support. And after having a bounce, the price action was likely to form a double bottom on this 50 simple moving average support. Now, after playing this chart, we can see at that time the price line was moving at 1 cent approximately, and then it rallied up to approximately 2 cents. That was almost 100% move, and now it is out of this buying zone, moving above this buying zone. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then in my previous video we saw that the price line was moving in the down channel, but this dip and this dip changed the down channel into a falling wedge, and finally the price action has broken out this resistance of the falling wedge, and it has reached the target of this falling wedge pattern, that is the tail of this falling wedge. You can see that here we have a spike almost up to this level, and now the price line is out of this wedge and very strong bullish. Now what we can expect for that, first we need to take a look at the different support and resistance level, and let's have a look at what resistance the price action is struggling to break it out. For example, previously we had this key level support I told you in my previous video as well at 0.0009 dollars, and here the price action formed a double bottom, and at the same time on the weekly time frame chart the price action was also moving at this 50 simple moving average support as well, and here the price line also formed a double bottom as well. And now it has broken out the next resistance of 1.5 cents, and after breaking out this next resistance here, the price action tested the previous resistance as a support and moved to the next resistance here at 2 cents. Here we can see after breaking out we had a spike up to 2 cents and rejected and moved down back to 1.5 cents, and now it is moving between the 2 cents and 1.5 cents. Now after breaking out the 2 cents, which is also very strong resistance, you can see previously that this 2 cents has been working as a resistance, as support here, and as a resistance here and here and here as well, and now it is again turned into the resistance. And after breaking out this resistance, we will have the next resistance at 2.5. That is another very strong resistance. You can see here it has been working as a support. Here 2.5 cents has been working as a support here and here as well, and slightly here as well, and here it has been working as a resistance. And after 2.5 we have the next resistance at 3 cents. That is also very strong resistance. It has been breaking as a resistance, as a support here, and as a resistance here, as a resistance here, and as a support here as well. Then we will have the next resistance at 3.5 cents. That is previously working as a support here and here as well, and here it has been working as a resistance and here as well, and then we will have another resistance at 4.5 cents, and after that we can expect a very massive move. This is the Binance chart, and if I take you to the KuCoin exchange chart, the SIA with US dollar KuCoin exchange, then we can see that as per KuCoin exchange, the highest price is approximately 10 cents. So after breaking out this 4 cents, we can expect an imminent move up to 10 cents, because between the 4 cents and 10 cents, 4.5 cents and 10 cents, there will be no major support and resistance levels. And after breaking out this 4.5 cents, very imminent move can be expected up to 10 cents. Now, if we take a look at the different simple moving averages on the same daily time frame chart, then now at the same time, while the price action is struggling to break out the 2 cents resistance, at the same time it is also trying to break out this 200 simple moving average. We can see that so far SIA has broken out this 25 simple moving average, and then 50 simple moving average, and also now recently it has broken out on the daily time frame this 100 simple moving average, and now trying to break out the 200 simple moving average. And this 25 simple moving average is going to form a bull cross with the 100, and this 50 simple moving average is moving up to form a golden cross with 200. That will be a very powerful buying signal. However, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then while the price action has taken bounce by this 50 simple moving average, at the same time the stochastic has also given a buying signal from the oversold zone. You can see that this stochastic, the blue line of the stochastic, has crossed up this red line. And if you take a look at the MACD indicator, then it is also turning more and more bullish. Previously, it was very strong bearish here, and now it has turned weak bearish and turning more and more weak bearish. That is a bullish signal. And previously, when we received these signals here, like the stochastic gave the bull cross from the oversold zone, after that, like, let me show you. Here we receive this bull cross from the oversold zone, and if I place this measurement tool here on the price action, after that from this candlestick to this high, then we can see after that the SIA surged more than 2470%. That was a very massive and big move. Therefore, I'm expecting that this time again the SIA can start a very massive move. We are having very strong bullish signal. We are having very nice bounce by this 50 simple moving averages. All oscillators are also in favor of bullish move, and we have a very massive formation of this bullish harmonic reversal bat move, and the price action indeed has reversed bullish from this potential reversal zone. As per the Fibonacci sequence, our targets are from 3 cents to 5.2 cents. However, I'm expecting that this time SIA can even break out the next resistance levels and this final resistance of 4.5 cents as well very easily. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then you can also use the link I've shared in the video's description to join me here. Take care. Goodbye.